What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Some things may happen with a person in this life. He thinks it's a curse from heaven and it will make him suffer throughout his life. But he doesn't know that this curse will turn into a blessing that completely changes his life. In this story, we'll see how this family's life has changed completely, even though they've had 6 children at once. Who does not know Maggie's family? This is a British family that's become very popular on social media. This family exploded the internet 6 years ago and has become known to all for several reasons. Firstly, these two married couples have 6 children at once with dark brown skin, which made them look amazing. Secondly, the first picture published by the family was amazing and dazzled all the followers, which opened the door to fame wide open for this family. The first photo, which was taken 6 years ago, was very expressive and showed the 6 children naked with their father, Maggie, and their mother, Mia, was next to them as well. The position of the 6 children who were lying on their father's back was amazing and extremely impressive, and their skin color increased their beauty. The pictures were very intimate and very touching because the 6 children looked pathetic as they slept around their father while their mother was with them and watching them. Although the couple, whose financial condition was difficult, they complained about their inability to care for the 6 children and that it cost them a lot as they barely provide them with food and diapers. But everything changed after the father published a picture of this family. The father had published pictures of his children by chance while he was lying on his bed in his room. He noticed his wife as he pulled the 6 boys out of the shower, and they were naked, which made him ask his wife's sister to take a group photo of them. He, his wife, and the 6 children. And when he published that picture to be shared by his friends, he received calls from his friends and told them that his image was spreading lightning fast through social media and won millions of likes in a record envelope. After that, the father received many communications from the children's clothes designers to perform fashion shows for his children, which made him participate in some shows, but he suddenly disappeared from view and decided not to continue dealing with these designers. And it lasted after the disappearance of this family from view for 6 years because the parents decided to keep their children out of the spotlight and fame in order to devote themselves to raising and educating them. After many years passed, the parents decided once again to publish pictures of their 6 children, who were at the age of 6, which made various media and social media websites eager to publish it. The children, who are 4 males and 2 daughters, appeared playing with their parents, as they appeared in other forms, and they were all gathered. These photos were widely spread, blending elegance and harmony among family members, which made many well-known fashion designers in Britain offer deals to this family, again, in order to sign advertising contracts and fashion shows. What distinguishes these images is the great harmony between family members and their permanent smile, as their pictures indicate that they live in love, happiness, and harmony. Just as the other distinctive thing about these 6 children is the great resemblance between the 4 males and the 2 girls, where they were almost a dish image, the origin. The couple photographed the youngsters on their 6th birthday, as the 6 boys appeared in the photo in different poses, which is the image that achieved a high viewership. And they also published some other pictures while they were photographing fashion shows with companies for the children's clothes. The parents earned a lot of money from those advertising shows and other fashion shows in which their 6 children were appearing, which enabled them to take care of them and provide everything they needed. And they were unable to provide even the simplest requirements for them before they entered the world of fame through its door. Despite the tempting offers that the parents receive in order to do some fashion shows for children's clothes, the parents often apologize for agreeing to these shows and trying to isolate their 6 children in order to focus on their study. These 6 children transformed their parents' lives into bliss after they were well off and made them famous throughout the world. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.